I see something blue. Blue! I see something blue. Blue, 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 blue. I see something blue.
Can you find 4 things that are blue? Tap them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You found 4 blue things.
Yellow. I see something yellow. Yellow. I see something yellow. Yellow, yellow. I see something yellow.
Can you find 4 things that are yellow? Tap them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You found 4 yellow things.
Red. I see something red. Red. I see something red. Red, 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 red. I see something red.
Can you find 4 things that are red?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You found 4 red things.
I see colors everywhere.
Put the yellow shapes into the bowl. Good job! Put the shapes into the bowls with the same color. You sorted the shapes. There's so many different colors in the world.